How to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. So if you have any problem with the login, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do, guys, to fix the login problem is by going into the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram and then click here on this stop or force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. After that, you have to go into the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Now one last thing you want to do, click on data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data, and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.